Trick or treat. Yeah, I know, I tricked you. But it was pretty scary, wasn't it? Well, to be honest, those photos were a collection of photos taken over the years. There was always one room somehow that got chaotic and crazy, and I, for some reason, took pictures of them. Well, I guess the reason was for this video. So, anyway, I have given an entire video to cleaning.
The act of cleaning is never just about wiping surfaces. It's about preparing the soul. When we clean, we return to zero, a white canvas waiting for magic. Every sweep of the broom clears more than dust, it clears thought. Every sparkle of light on glass is a moment of self-reflection. Water dissolves the old, air carries it away, fire transforms it, and earth holds the new vibration steady. What you're seeing is a ghost of last year's preparation, a reminder that even old footage can carry living magic if we breathe intention back into it. So as you watch me clean, imagine yourself doing the same, making space for whatever enchantment you're about to summon this Halloween. Because every sacred mess deserves a beautiful rebirth. And right now, the veil is the thinnest. It is a very powerful time. And this is a ghost of my past self still tidying up for the party that has already happened last year. Cleaning is my meditation in motion, my exorcism of dust, my pre-party purification ritual. Some people cast spells, I just grab a broom and I let the magic happen. See, before you can summon spirits, you've got to sweep out the stale ones. Before you decorate for death, you've got to make peace with life's mess. The mop is basically a wand with better reach. Every stroke, every wipe, every sparkle of clean surface, it's all alchemy. Turning clutter into clarity, chaos into creation. A clean space is like a blank spellbook waiting to be written in. So sure, this is last year's footage, but energy does not care about time. Magic always shows up in the moment you call it. And right now, I'm calling it in again, with you watching. So grab your broom, my beautiful beasties. Let's clean like witches, preparing the world for wonder. So whether you're watching this in the future or living your own Halloween prep right now, remember, every act of cleaning is a prayer for clarity. Every sweep is a spell for renewal, and every spotless corner is just waiting for you to fill it with the magic of who you are.